What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to download Google Bard on your iPhone. It's very simple to do, very easy, and I want to help you guys out. So if you guys want to stay up to date on all AI apps or news or new features you guys should know about, new prompts you guys should try, make sure you guys do subscribe to this channel, because my goal is to keep you guys informed and up to date. So if there's a new technology, a new app, new AI program that's released that makes life like so much easier, I want you guys to know right away. So make sure you guys do subscribe. I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on all that stuff. That is my goal, to keep you guys informed. But all right, I'm gonna make this as easy as possible for you guys. So first things first, go ahead and go on Safari or Google Chrome. But for this, I'm just gonna show you guys on Safari, and you want to have Google up or whatever the web browser is, and you can just type in Google Bard, just like this. Go ahead and search it, and then Bard like / Google is gonna pop up. It's gonna guarantee be the first one, because Google obviously owns the search engine for Google, so they're gonna promote it right away. Go ahead and click on Bard, and this is where you guys want to go ahead and make sure you guys are signed into your Google account. All right, so I just signed in, as you guys can see, and then now it's going to give you guys like a brief description of Google Bard. I'm gonna go ahead and click on join waitlist, and then join the Bard waitlist, and then just go ahead and click on yes, I'm in. And then you've been added to the waitlist, and an email should be popping up pretty soon. And there's the email. So we got the email. It's confirmed that we are on the waitlist, and now we have to wait about 24 to 48 hours to actually get added in, but it's not done yet. You want to go ahead and you want to click on this little box, like I guess the square with the arrow. Click that and do add to home screen. And then you can go ahead and then you can type in Bard here, and then click done. And now we have Google Bard added to our home screen here. Obviously, when you guys have the official one, it will like update with the official like Bard like logo screen, probably like a Google screen, but right now it's only like the wait list. So if you guys are on the wait list, don't worry, just wait maybe like a day or two, and you should be able to go ahead and access Google Bard. If you guys did find this video to be like helpful in any way, make sure you guys do like this video and subscribe to stay up to date on all new AI videos. Any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will go ahead and respond to you guys and help you guys out. But take it easy, my friends. Peace out.